Hello, everyone. It's PJ Patterson, chairman of the Independent Finance Brokers Forum, and we're getting close to the next meeting, which is on April 1st, this coming April Fool's Day, of course. It's not a Fool's Day joke. We are meeting on April 1st, on the first Wednesday in April. Usual spot, Rose Hill Bowling Club. Please be there about 10 a.m. for a 10:30 start. We have some very special guests coming to visit us this month. The first thing, though, that I'm going to just quickly remind you of is our theme for this year, which is, of course, be the specialist or be a specialist. And we have so far been focusing our agenda and our meeting content on helping you to identify and hone in on the things in your business that you might specialize in and that you might want to focus, say, marketing activity or even blog posts and other communication around to establish yourself in the market as an expert in that thing. Again, it doesn't mean that you don't do other things or can't offer a broad-based service. It just means that when you're actually going out to the world and telling the world what you do as a business, it's really helpful if you can identify one or two or maybe maximum three things that you specialize in. And we've been continuing to work on that, and I think we are actually doing some not only some good work around that, but I think that is starting to get traction, which is fantastic. Now, on to our special guests in our presentation this month. So we've got a presentation from a person you know very well, Victoria Costa from Credit Fix Solutions, and Beth Camino of one of our other sponsors, which is Home Affordability Solutions. They have developed a financial literacy program that can be presented to and rolled out, and the purpose of it is to be rolled out into local schools. They're going to be presenting on what this program is, why it's important for the community, and how finance brokers can get involved in actually developing in the community, developing some financial literacy and presenting their program. So I am very much looking forward to hearing about this. This is sorely needed in Australia. And as I continue to say at the IFBF, mortgage brokers are beautifully placed as a trusted advisor and professional to do things exactly like what they're promoting. So looking forward to that. Then we have got our second special guest, which is Peter White. I'm sure you've heard by now that Pete is retiring from or stepping down as the chairman of the FBAA. I guess we'll find out whether he's retiring from the industry or what he's actually doing. I shouldn't say he's retiring because I don't know that for sure, but he's definitely stepping down as the chair of the FBAA and wrapping that up, I think, around June or July of this year. So we're very privileged to be able to get him in to speak with us this month, and I'm looking forward to that as well, to find out what he is looking forward to for the rest of his career, I suppose, but also the state of the industry and what's happening. So again, be at the Rose Hill Bowling Club Wednesday, April 1st. It's not an April Fool's Day joke. Be there April 1st, 10 a.m. for a 10:30 start. I'm looking forward to seeing you as we continue to roll out our agenda this year of being the specialist.